Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix HumanitZ game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart then go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify the game file. Now first of all close the game if it is running, then open Steam, go to library, right click on HumanitZ game and then select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then close the Steam and then reopen the game and it should work. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to properties. Now this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to remove modes. So if you are using any modes, then remove it or delete it and then check. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe files to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open C drive. Open program files x86 folder. Open Steam folder. Open Steam apps folder. Open common folder. Open the HumanitZ game folder. And then select this exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app. Browse all apps. Now open the HumanitZ folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this HumanitZ Win64 shipping exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open HumanitZ folder and then select this exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse, open the HumanitZ folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this HumanitZ Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 6 to run the game from the game installation folder or try running the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on HumanitZ game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click this HumanitZ exe file and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then check. If it's still not working, then open the HumanitZ folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now try to launch the game by clicking on this HumanitZ Win64 shipping exe file. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, okay, then launch the game and check. Launch the game from here itself. If that doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, okay, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes and hit apply, okay, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here. and then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select the custom advanced option and then hit on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC. Don't forget it. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both the x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the HumanitZ game folder, again open the HumanitZ folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this HumanitZ Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to the GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to disable overlays. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on HumanitZ game and then select properties and then disable this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. After disabling it, go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to delete the HumanitZ saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. And then open the App Data folder, open local folder. Now look for the HumanitZ folder. Here it is. Now first right click on it and then copy it and then go to desktop and then paste it to keep the backup of this folder. And after keeping the backup, right click on it and then click on delete to delete it. Then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, disconnect multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the taskbar, Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the updates, just restart your PC once, don't forget it. And after restarting your PC, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the HumanitZ game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the HumanitZ game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve HumanitZ game not launching, won't launch or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.